I got tattoo here and this side. So don't worry. The last time I wanted to have a mother and child at the back, a huge one, but then it's quite expensive because I want it to be like bigger size. So I need to spend more money. So I just had this small one. So don't worry about that. It's not so pain. Now tattoos is like an artist in our body. That's why. So anyone if having a tattoo, just feel relaxed and enjoy. That's what I could. That's what I experienced because I already had. But I enjoy the pain. But it's not so pain anyway. It's just normal like ants beating you for thin ants beating you at the back on your arm, something like that. So don't worry. Be happy. Little yes. 6 million in the house, guys. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, Russian Rohan. Wala na. I cannot see all the message. Where we hide. Amen. Something happened. How I'm going to paint that thing. Ano wala yung ano mga ano. Where are they? Yung ano niya, yung comment is high. $7 million in the house, guys. Thank you so much. Asan na yung mga comment? Hindi ko na makita. Something fishy. Did I hide? Wala nga. Wala yung mga comment. Nasaan na? Labas yung comment, guys. Di ko alam kung nangyari. Ano nangyari? Hello guys, hindi ko makita yung ano, yung mga comment. Ano nangyari? Hindi sila magpakita.